Okay, I'm doing a little simple cabinet job here at home, just putting in some rough shelves underneath these stairs, and I came up with an interesting trick for installing your cabinet slides. So I wanted to use these full extension slides here. I've marked my drawer positions on the bulkheads here, or the cabinet and the carcass sides, and I've marked where I want the bottoms of those drawers to land. So I've got a line described all the way across here where I want the bottom of my drawer to be. I've popped some finishing nails on just right below that line, so it's just touching the line. And then I'm using this cleat here that rests on the nails. So that's representing the offset I want from the bottom of the drawer to the bottom of the slide hardware. So we just pop that on there, flush it up at the front of my carcass wall. Just screw that right in place. There we go. These finishing nails can go away. Now we need to keep this in order to finish the installation of putting the mating part onto the drawer sides. So over here I take the same cleat, I put it right there on the tabletop, a drawer sitting right there on the surface of the table. Make sure there's no junk underneath it. So I've made up another cleat that represents the difference in height between this portion that goes on the drawer sides to the portion that goes into the carcass. And so that just drops right on here. We flush this one up to where we want it. Okay, so both portions now have been referenced off the bottom surface of the drawer. That's making up the difference in width between our central portion and its slide that it joins up with. And then this is just the general offset from the bottom of the drawer to the whole hardware assembly. And there we go. Now my wife has a ridiculous amount of space to store all of her shoes.